Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is ADLINA AFIQAH binti Muhammad AFZANIZAM. My matrix number 01-19F2032. Okay, for this project, the title that we choose is Restaurant Reservation System. Okay, for this project proposal, we want to talk about introduction, problem and solution, project planning, and feasibility study. Okay. Okay, let's see if the introduction for this project. Okay, the title that we choose is Restaurant Reservation System. Okay, this restaurant reservation system is the use of networking for restaurant management. This system reservation is developed to provide service facilities to the restaurant and also to customer. Among the service provided are food order management and table order by customer through the online system, customer information management and survey management information, information management, and reports. The main objective of developing this system is to provide online food ordering and table ordering service to customers. With this online system, the management of food orders and tables reservation will be easier and systematic to replace the traditional system that still use paper. Furthermore, the system can be used anytime and whenever the customer is. Okay, for this project was developed for restaurant management and enhancing in the online business system. In addition, this project is to facilitate uh, customer in online booking management. Next, through the development of the restaurant reservation system, the AFIQAH methodology has been selected. Each process found in the model is used as a guide in the development of this system. Okay. Restaurant reservation system is a reservation system for managing restaurant business. The main purpose of developing this system is to help restaurant administrators manage restaurant and help customer to place order online, whether to place food order or table reservation at restaurant. Okay, the project is being developed when the COVID-19 epidemic hit in Malaysia, causing many restaurants to have difficulty to managing business such as taking customer orders and booking customer tables. Guided by manual ordering, it is difficult for the server to keep the correct information when many customers visit the restaurant. Therefore, when this system is developed, it can reduce congestion in restaurant and can reduce the spread of COVID-19. Okay, what we see now, many restaurants are still using the system manually to take food orders and table reservation. Table reservation are made manually as customer need to call the restaurant to make a reservation. It's difficult for the customer. Therefore, when this project is developed, this project can facilitate the restaurant to handle what the customer wants. Okay, that's all for today.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is NURUL binti ABDUL and my number matrix 10DDT19F2032. 2048 from class DDT P3. And my part is problem and proposed solution. The current system of food ordering system is entirely a manual process. Waiter answer the phone and notes down with a pen and paper order from a customer and manually put order into the post that is a point of sale system and send it to the kitchen. A point of sale post system is a computerized system with several key components, including post hardware and software used to complete a retail transaction. The employee calculates the total amount owed by the customer, may print a bill if needed, and give customer various options to make the payment. Example, systems such as Kfry. They need full-field software to maintain their day-to transaction order and also regular updates on record, cash transaction, daily staff reports, and customer feedback. In the existing system, entering all the details are done manually. It is taking a lot of time and also there are chances for mistakes. There are many drawbacks to the current system. So with this restaurant booking system, user and restaurant manager will be easier to deal with each other in buying and selling food or ordering a dining table online without users having a crowd in the restaurant. This is the problem. So the first problem is duplication of data entry. Restaurant waiter take the customer ordering by manual system with using paper. This is problem for restaurant waiter, the probability loss and duplicates customer information. Additionally, it will affect to reputation restaurant in operate management of ordering. When the system is more organized and systematic, the restaurant reputation will be better and it will attract more customers to use this restaurant reservation system. The second problem is inconsistency in data entry of miskeying information. When mistakes are made or change or correction are needed, often manual transaction must be made in full rather. With a manual information system, information must be written and copied or entered more than once. This can lead to incorrect data entry. When entering customer information with the wrong one manually, it is need to corrected by deleting or liquid. In this way, it will result in others who read it becoming misunderstood because the information is not as clear. The third problem is reduction in sharing information and customer service. Another impact of manual system is on customer service. Customer requires can be difficult to respond to as information is stored in different place and may even require that you find the right person before being able to respond. It will take time to get the right information as it is necessary to find the person who has taken the order from the user. The fourth problem is manual error accountant. When accountants complete tasks manually, the likelihood of errors increase significantly. It is very easy for humans to transfer numbers or make another similarly small mistake that can lead to big consequences. The increase in this manual error accountant will cause the restaurant income to be affected because if you mistakenly make one part of the calculation, so the manager need to check one by one which parts have been miscalculated. This will result in a waste of time to check which one part is in error. Okay, so the first solution is launch branded mobile apps and website. Customers order directly from restaurant website and apps with fully customized and user-friendly interface. Manage menu and offering all by yourself with just few clicks. Realize one revenues through fully integrated leading payment portals. This way, the restaurant manager only needs to check this system to get the information of customers who want to order food and dining table, while customers can save their time to find out which dining table is still available and what menu is available for them to buy. The second solution is order status updates. Send alerts via push, SMS, and email notification to ensure customer orders are always updated. This purpose is done customer users to get the same order menu as the restaurant receive. Ensure timely delivery by sending automatic alerts to customer in various tabs and creating customer pleasure. When alerts are done, customer don't have to wait long because they know how long the food will arrive for them to get ready to take the food from the runner. The third solution is manage all orders in one place. Smart dashboard to receive and manage orders from all sources at a single place. Track complete order fulfillment cycle from order received to dispatch to delivered. Take in time action like delete, cancel, and assign delivery with a single click for new users who have ordered a dining table or purchased food from this restaurant's reservation system. If they want to cancel the reservation, they just look for the order cancellation function or want to receive the delivery. They only need to click on one purchase page so that users do not have to look for those functions on another site. Okay, the last solution is online payment integration. The billing system is getting further improved with the introduction of mobile or virtual wallets. These mobile wallets are a mobile payment system that store users' credit card information that and can be used to make mobile payments without sharing the credit card number with the merchant, and hence providing enhanced security. With the advancement of technology nowadays, everything has become easy to pay online. Any online purchase system will be provided with online payment facilities such as Bank to You, Bank Islam IB, and so on. So customers do not need to go out to the ATM machine to transfer money and can be made anywhere and anytime. Overall, the new proposed system helps manage the data easily. Members will be able to order their food from anywhere. Besides, employees can also go through tasks more quickly and efficiently with the proposed system as users can save time and cost. The proposed system send a copy of the member's food order will be given to each user automatically after the order is completed. This proposed system can satisfy the needs of members by using the ordering method more quickly and effectively. Next, I will pass the explanation about project planning to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NURHIDAYAH AFRINA binti ISMAIL, and my metric number is 01DDT19F2102. In this project, I will explain about project planning. In this project planning, we use system development life cycle SDLC and Gantt chart. So methodology is method used in develop a system and defined as a set of procedure. This chapter will cover a methodology that used based on research that has been done. Restaurant reservation system is using a agile methodology. So we choose restaurant reservation system which serves foods as our target and decided to develop an online food ordering system. We use structure analysis method which is time tested and easy to understand method as our system developing technique. So system development life cycle SDLC through plan, analyze, design, implement and support an information system. Uh, this chapter will fully explain to achieve the project objective that have been mentioned earlier in these research reports. Methodology is important part to make sure the system can be accomplished successfully. This methodology has 6 phases which are requirement phase, design phase, development phase, testing phase, deployment phase, and review phase. Um, so this is our agile development diagram. Requirement stage. In this phase, the project title had been selected. The project title for the application was Restaurant Reservation System. This project started with brainstorming ideas with supervisor and proposed the title of the project. An abstract and description of the project module has also been done and attached. Uh, to get the title, we also had a decision with the supervisor to get the appropriate title. Besides, the Gantt chart also need as a guideline and reference for the project. This phase is to analyze the existing application and system, also the article of the technique or method that will be used for this project. In this phase, also get all requirements that are needed to design and develop the new system. Based on the collection of information through article, method and technique that is suitable we decide. From this, we also use Gantt chart to more easily analyze and make a concise reference. Design state. In the design phase, all the data are required obtained during planning and analysis phase transform into the design. Diagram to show the flow of the application will be developed in this chapter, shaped as content diagrams, CD, data flow diagram, DFD, level 0 and 1 entity relationship diagram, ARD. These diagrams are designed as a guideline to developing the system. After that, will be design the database and system interface. Next, agile development is development stage. This 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 page is where the design will implement into the coding. The system will develop regarding the user and system requirements. In this project, to develop the system, will be used Laravel server for the database, PHP MySQL. This phase is a critical phase because user part needed to be fulfilled and to make sure the objective accomplished. Next, agile development is testing stage. When all the modules have been done as full system, the system testing has been carried out. This test this testing phase will test the system to check the error and ensure the function run well as a whole system. Any error or bugs will be fixed and repeated testing the system until all the functions can be used. Once the system is ready, we will test the system to ensure that no errors and bugs occur. Next, agile development is deployment stage. This phase is when the system has successfully done and fulfilled all the objectives. This system can be deployed, and finally the system will be published to the user for use as their need. We prioritize spreading the system to the public, such as employees who do not have time to go to the store. They can use this system directly by only needing the internet only. And the last agile development is review stage. This phase also get feedback and review from user for the maintenance. In this phase, we'll follow up with user to upgrade the system to another version in the future. Once the system is complete and distributed to the public, we still need feedback from users to maintain and ensure that the system can be used in the future. Lastly, I will explain about Gantt chart. A Gantt chart can be useful as a part of adaptive planning to help teams manage sprints and their assigned tasks. Teams can use the charts to improve collaboration and assess resource allocation. Gantt charts are very simple to help us complete bond graph more effectively because this is visual information. This is our Gantt chart. When we set up a Gantt chart, we need to think through all of the tasks involved in project. As As part of the process, we will work out who will be responsible for each task, how long each task will take, and what problem our team may encounter. This also helps our work out practical aspects of a project, such as the minimum time it will take to deliver and which tasks need to be completed before others can start. Finally, you can use them to keep our team and sponsor informed of progress. Simply, simply update the chart to show circular change and their implication, or use it to communicate that key tasks have been completed. Uh, Next, my friend will continue explanation about feasibility study. Thank you.
My name is ASMAA binti ROSNANI. As the last presenter, I will present about the feasibility study. Feasibility study is for evaluation and analysis the project to quotation based on extensive research and study to support decision-making process. Feasibility study is implemented to be a preliminary review of fact to see if eligible to proceed to the level of analysis. So feasibility analysis is a tool key to recommend either proceeding to the next phase of stopping the project. The assessment focuses on acquiring knowledge of the organization, current technical resource, and the application to the expected requirement of this proposed system. This is an assessment of the hardware and software and how it meets the requirement of the proposed system. If the project of the system is considered technically, clarify the internet technical capability of sufficient to meet the requirement of the project. Practical measure technology criteria provide the most accurate technical solution to the problem found. According to this installment solution system, after the analyze the need of one thing that is often highlighted by staff member and also for management. That is the technical interface on the current flow system that should modify and or upgrade the new system. Therefore, the system as user of the online system only by the official website or the restaurant. It should be run under the official website of the restaurant. Operational feasibility is the measure of how will the project will support the customer and the service provided during the operational phase. It is dependent on human resource available for the project and evolve projecting whether the system will be used if it developed and implemented. This will check how the design product perform in the real operational environment. When we apply this criteria, there are some important questions may arise. Example like how does the staff will feel about the new system? Do they contribute to the proposed system? The proposed solution may perform in good in the real environment or not. And last, in the problem can solve the work or not. This assessment aims to determine the positive economic benefit to the organization that the proposed system will provide. It typically involves a cost-benefit analysis and is the most frequently used method of evaluating the effectiveness of a new proposed system. Economy is deciding the cost of the inter-product. After analyze the requirement cost can estimate will developing the project cost if not exact amount because sometimes project cannot finish on time. Some error may occur. Fluctuation of cost can be over due to the reason. For the very first beginning, we have chosen one of stage life cycle model to develop the project. There are some important things included with this economic criteria. First, an estimate cost of the product. Some product can fulfill user requirement. Second, estimate estimate cost if enough to finish the project. And third, can do the project without any other additional charge. It is the measure of how reasonable the project timetable is, or the decline the reasonable or not during the lot of time of or the time become mandatory. We must finish the project within a given time period. This criteria model is parallel goals with the schedule time. Ability of finish the project on time is measured under this model. At the beginning of the project, client and software development company make the agreement. After how many time period client will get the product, customer satisfaction if more need in this stage. So that's all, and thank you.